Hi traders, thanks for stopping by thetradinganalyst.com. This is Taylor, and we're going to take a look at the oil chart here via USO, as well as some oil names and energy names, so we can get a really good idea of where this sector and group is headed. But first, if you're not already a member at thetradinganalyst.com, go ahead and give us a visit on the homepage of the website and get to know us a little bit better. If you like the free videos and analysis that we give to you on a daily basis, it's nothing compared to the membership at thetradinganalyst.com. Once you sign up with your free 7-day trial, you're going to gain instant access to the private Twitter feed, daily watch lists, the real-time profitable trade alerts, exclusive member videos, webinars, and an education from mentors like myself who truly care about your success in the market. It's a great opportunity, and we'd love to have you. All right, so let's get started with these charts here. So the first one we're going to take a look at is USO. And you can see we had a big breakout here today, big gap up out of this consolidation range. You can see we were trading in this really tight range, and you can see it kept on getting narrower and narrower, especially right here. And today we broke over that range right here. So don't let this red candle fool you. This is a breakout candle, and we did close much higher than the previous day's close right here, and higher than any of the other closes as well. So there you have it right there. Was the highest close right here, and we closed above that. So nice action for oil, and I do think that this is the start of something bigger here for USO. You got to remember though, the key level here is really to break over that 1180 mark, but I do think that it's going to do that. But really, a break over 1180 and $12 is going to be the real signal for us to break out to $15 to $16 here on USO. So let's not get ahead of ourselves, but today is definitely a start here and something to look forward to. The next one we're going to take a look at is XLE. And XLE, you can see that we have this uptrend line right here. We've got a touch here, right there, right here, and that lines up perfectly to where we are. Another uptrend line began here in the beginning of this year. There's a touch, and then right here. So two uptrend lines right there, and then we've got two strong bounces right here and then right here. So today we had a nice gap up off of a reversal candle right here. So more than likely XLE gets some kind of a bounce here. We've got two gaps to fill, one right here and then one right here at about $75. So if XLE does get a bounce, we've got two gaps to fill. We've got another one actually to fill up here at about $76 as well. So we've got a bunch of gaps up here that may want to fill. So just be aware of that. We've got two nice bounces, and it should head higher. If it breaks much lower than this low right here at about $70.50, that's going to be really a failure of this bounce here. And if it does break those lows, it should head lower. So kind of pay attention to those levels here on XLE. The next one we're going to take a look at is APA. And APA, a oil and energy company right here, very related to USO and XLE. And you can see that today we had a nice gap up right here. So a nice gap up and also a break over this trend line right here. So break over that trend line, a close over that trend line right there. So this we can call kind of a falling wedge pattern, if you will, right there. So we're out of this falling wedge pattern. We gapped up. We've got a gap right here that may want to fill, and then we've got a gap up here at about $62 that may want to fill. Let's look at the longer term chart here, and you can see going back to November, we've got a bounce right here and right here, both at the same level that we were at right here. So overall, let's back it up here on APA. this is definitely a bullish stock, as we've been going virtually straight up here since January. Obviously it has some dips, but all of the dips have gotten bought here. So this time should be no different. Another reason we like it for a bounce here is because we drew a Fibonacci retracement level from these lows to these highs, and we bounce right at this 61.8% Fibonacci retracement level. Right here you can see that. Here we are right there at that retracement level. So more than likely APA gets a bounce. The next one we're going to take a look at is CVX. Same thing here. We're right at a very nice uptrend line. You can see it began here all the way back in 2015 in about, when was this? August of 2015. You can see we got a bounce on this trend line right here, several bounces, bounce right here, right there, and then here we are on that trend line right here, and we're right at this support you can see right there. And today we got a nice gap up which followed this hammer candle right here. So more than likely CVX is going to head higher. We've got two gaps to fill, and you can see one right here, and then you can see another one right here. Okay, so that other one is up here at about 1650. More than likely CVX heads up to that level up there in the near future. Thanks for stopping by and watching the video, everyone. Again, if you're not already a member at thetradinganalyst.com, go ahead and give us a visit on the homepage and get to know us a little bit better. If you like the free videos and analysis we give to you on a daily basis, it's nothing compared to the membership at thetradinganalyst.com. The best part is, once you sign up with your free 7-day trial, you're going to gain instant access to those profitable trade alerts that members are getting on a daily basis. It's a great opportunity, and we'd love to have you.